Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a small cap granite stock where Reliance Mutual Fund has bought 4,05,042 shares and 7,85,840 shares on the Bombay Stock Exchange and the National Stock Exchange respectively. Ashish Kacholia was the seller with 5,22,929 and 9,40,000 shares sold on the BSE and the NSE respectively. Now friends, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to share these videos, like these videos, and also if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please click on the red subscribe button below. This will ensure that you will get updated whenever we post a new video. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Pokarna Limited, which is available at rupees 181.35 and the face value for it is 2. The buying price on the National Stock Exchange for Reliance Mutual Fund was rupees 178, whereas on the Bombay Stock Exchange the buying price was rupees 180. The symbol for it is POKARNA. Now Pokarna Limited is engaged in the processing and sale of granite slabs and mining and sale of granite blocks. The company operates through two segments, which are granite and apparel. It also exports to over 50 countries and has manufacturing facilities in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. The market cap of the company is 562.26 crores, which means that the company is a small cap. The EPS of 2.74 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 66.19, which is much more expensive when compared with the industry PE of 22.77. The price to book ratio of 4.22 is also on the high side. The company does not pay out any dividends, whereas the promoter holding for this stock is an above average figure of 56.66%. Also, none of the promoters holding is pledged. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.